Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
Open Microsoft Word and sign in with your Microsoft account. Go to Windows Settings and choose Privacy and Security to allow microphone access. Make sure your one microphone is plugged in and set as default device. In Word, open the Home tab and locate the Dictate button with a microphone icon. If you do not see Dictate, update Office from Account and install updates. Click the Dictate button to begin speaking and to convert voice to text in real time. Speak clearly and at a natural pace to improve recognition accuracy. Say punctuation like period or comma to insert punctuation automatically in your text. Speak new line or new paragraph to control text breaks while dictating your document. Use commands like select and delete to edit without touching the keyboard or mouse. Say spell followed by a word to spell uncommon terms or names character by character. Pause briefly between commands to let Word process your instruction before continuing to speak. Keep Office and Windows updated to the latest version for optimal dictation accuracy. Reduce background noise and set your microphone about 6 to 12 inches from your mouth. Use a headset microphone when possible to improve signal clarity. Test Dictate in a short 60-second sample to confirm voice recognition quality. If recognition errors persist, open Dictate settings and switch languages or accents to match your speech. Restart Word or your computer after changing settings to ensure changes take effect before resuming.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.